I'm Collins of Collins Mathematics Hub, and today we are going to be looking at changing from base 2 to base 10. You know, in our previous class, we talked about changing from base 10 to base 2. So today, we'll be changing from base 2 to base 10, and we are going to solve these questions we have on the board. The first one is change 1102 in base 2 to base 10. Number 2 is 1001 in base 2 to base 10. Number 3 is 1011 in base 2 to base 10. And number 4 is 100011 in base 2 to base 10. Number 5 is 101111 in base 2 to base 10. So we are going to solve them one after the other. It's just for you to follow the steps and you get everything clearly. For the first one, we are changing 1101 in base 2 to base 10. One thing you need to understand when changing to base 10, we raise these base 2 numbers to power starting from 0 down to whenever the number ends. And what will you do? You multiply each of this number times 2 raised to the power of that particular number. So this one, you write 1, 1, 0, 1. So you begin to put the powers on it. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. So what you do next, you open a bracket. This one, you bring it times 2. You are putting this 2 because it's in base 2. Raised to this power of 3 plus, you open the bracket again, 1 times 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 0. You see it now? So after you've done that, you now open up each of the brackets so that you can resolve these numbers that have power. So this first one is 1 times 2 raised to power 3 means 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. It means that this place now is 8 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 2 is the same thing as 2 times 2, which is what? 4. So here is what? 4. You close the brackets and open again. This is 0 times 2 raised to power 1 is 2. You close the plus 1 times anything raised to power 0 is 1. It means here is 1. So 1 times 8 is what? 8 plus 1 times 4 is 4 plus 0 times 2 is what? 0 plus 1 times 1 is 1. So let's add 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 0 plus 1 is 13 in base 10. So let's go to number 2 question. What do we have as number 2 question? We have 1001 in base 2. You are changing it to base.
Second. Sorry.
You pause it.
Yes.
Okay. 1001 in base 2 to base 10. It's still the same process that you start all over. So you bring these numbers at 1001. You raise them to power, starting from power of 0, 1, 2, 3. So what do you have here? 1 times 2 raised to the power of 3 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 0. So now what do? You put them down 1001, you raise them to power 0, power 1, power 2, power 3. So what do? 1 times 2 raised to power 3 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 2 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0. So here we have 1 times 2 raised to power 3 is the same as 2 times 2 times 2 equals to what? 8. So here is what? 8. Here is 0 times 2 raised to power 2 is 2 times 2 equals to 4. Here is 4. Close it. What do we have here? 0 times any 2 raised to power 1 will give you 2 plus 1 times, remember anything raised to power 0 is 1. So let's open the bracket. 1 times 8 is 8. 0 times 4 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. So 8 plus 0 is 8 plus 0 is 8 plus 1 9. So the answer is 9 in base 10. So for number 3 question, what do we have? We have 1 0 1 1 1 2. It's still the same process that you still follow again. You write 1 0 1 1 1. So you raise them to power 0 1 2 3 and 4. So let's continue. 1 times 2 raised to power 4. 0 times 2 raised to power 3. 1 times 2 raised to power 2. 1 times 2 raised to power 1. 1 times 2 raised to power 0. So what do you do next? You open up the brackets and the power cell. So what do we have here? We have 1 times 2 raised to power 4 means 2 raised to power 4 is the same as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 4 times 2 8 times 2 16. It means that here is 16. You close it. What do you have here? 0 times 2 raised to power 3 is 8 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 2 is 4 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1 is 2 plus 1 times 1 because anything raised to power 0 is 1. So 1 times 16 is 16 plus 0 times 8 is 0 plus 1 times 4 is 4 plus 1 times 2 is 2 plus 1 times 1 is 1. So 16 plus 0 will give you 16 plus 4 will give you 20 plus 2 22 plus 1 23. So it is 23 in base 10. You can see how simple it is. It's just for you to follow the steps. And if you follow the steps very well, the answer becomes so easy for you to get. So, number 4, what do we have? We have 1 0 0 0 1 1 in base 2. We are changing it to base 10. So, you bring the numbers out and you raise them to power. So, the first power here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, with this one, you can easily solve it. So, the first one, 1 times 2 raised to power 5 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 4 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 3 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0. Okay? So, what do we have here? We have 1 times. So, 2 raised to power 5 is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16 times 2, 32. So, here is 32 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 4 is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16. So here is 16 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 3 is 2 times 2 times 2, which is what? 8. You close it, so you come to this one. 0 times 2 raised to power 2 is 2 times 2, which is what? 4. Plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1 is 2. Plus 1 times anything raised to power 0 is 1. So let's open up the bracket. 1 times 32 is 32. 0 times 16 is 0. 0 times 8 is 0. 0 times 4 is 0. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. So let's add together. 32 plus 0 give you 32. Plus 0 again 32. Plus 0 again 32. Plus 2 34. Plus 1 give you 35. So it is 35 in base 10. So let's do number 5. What do we have in number 5? We have 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 2. That's in base 2 to base 10 to base 10. So let's start. First of all, you raise them to power 1 1 0 1 1. So this is power 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So what do you do? As usual, 1 times 2 raised to power 6 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 5 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 4 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 3 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0. So what do we have here? You open it. 1 times 2 raised to power 6 is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 4, 4 times 2 8, 8 times 2 16, 16 times 2 32, 32 times 2 will give you 64. It means that here is 64. You close the bracket, you add. Here is 0. Remember, 2 raised to power 5 is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 4 times 2 8 times 2 16 times 2 32. So it will be times 32. You close it. You open the bracket again. Here is 1. 2 raised to power 4 is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 4 times 2 8 times 2 16. So here you have 1 times 16 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 3 is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8 plus 0 times 4 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 1. So let's put the bracket. 1 times 64 will give you 64 plus 0 times 32 is 0. 1 times 16 will give you 16. 1 times 8 will give you 8. 0 times 4 will give you 0. 1 times 2 will give you 2. 1 times 1 will give you 1. So 64 plus 0, what is it going to give you? Will give you 64. So 64 plus 16, what is it going to give you? Will give you 80. 8 plus 2 will give you 10 plus 1. So 80 plus 10 is 90 plus 1 will give you 91 in base 10. So if you follow the process step by step, you will see that it is very easy for you to change from base 2 to base 10. So what you will do for me, at your convenient time, you can just change 1101 in base 2 to base 10. And you can put your answer in the comment section. Please subscribe and follow more mathematical teaching. And you can also share